It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, April 10th. I'm James Spann. Showers and storms today, but the weekend looking pretty good. Then we go unsettled again next week. Let's go in there and take a look at things. The big trough is lifting out of the Central Plains up toward the Great Lakes. Of course, the better dynamic forcing passing well to the north of the state, which is a good thing for us. That system produced quite a bit of severe weather yesterday. Of course, the big story were the tornadoes in Illinois, west of Chicago. At least one fatality from those tornadoes. There were 16 tornado reports. That doesn't mean 16 different tornadoes, but certainly a rough ride for our friends up north last night. That was our radar early this morning at 5:08. But the storms, as expected, were below severe limits during the night, and they will likely stay below severe limits this morning. If we have any issues, it will be this afternoon over the southern half of the state, and even there, the risk is not overwhelming. The main threats would be from hail and strong gusty winds. Pretty balmy morning. Readings are around 70 to start the day, but tomorrow morning will be closer to 50 as drier air moves in tonight. So watch warning map. We've got some flash flood and severe weather issues well to the northeast of Alabama. That's a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of the Cumberland Plateau in Tennessee up into eastern Kentucky, West Virginia, and Ohio until 9 o'clock Central Time this morning. But this is the overall risk for the rest of today and tonight. The standard slight risk covers about the southern half of the state, basically south of US 80, south of Montgomery. Marginal risk up to Birmingham. And again, we'll take a look at the specifics on that threat here in just a second. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week, so this counts the rain today and the rain we get for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And the bullseye is basically on top of Birmingham at 3.3 inches. And as we all know, April is a wet and stormy month, so getting a lot of rain at this time of the year is to be expected. All right, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. You can see the main dynamic support way north of here, rolling through the Great Lakes. This is the HRRR, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. You can see the last batch of showers and storms passing through Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. The better chance of rain for us will come through early afternoon, I'd say by 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Most of the showers should be south of Interstate 20. Then by 6 o'clock this evening, the bulk of the showers south of Interstate 85, east of Interstate 65. And we're dry up here. In terms of the severe weather threat, this is the projected surface-based instability at 4 o'clock this afternoon. You see a tongue of higher capes, the yellow, that's over 2,000 joules per kilogram over South Alabama, and that's the main reason you got the slight risk down there. But the helicity values are very low. Tornadoes should not be a problem. Can't say there's no chance of a tornado, but I just honestly don't expect anything like that. And you can see the low-level jet is way, way northeast of here. The wind fields are weak, so it's a pretty marginal severe weather threat down south. There might be a few storms with hail and strong gusty winds south of Montgomery today, and then it all moves out. Tonight and tomorrow, a beautiful day to start the weekend. Bright sunshine. We start the day around 50. The high will be in the mid-70s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 75. Then for Sunday, we'll stay dry. Highs in the 70s, but again, moisture begins to come back. I wouldn't be surprised if clouds increase Sunday afternoon, and I wouldn't be shocked if some showers were to reach our part of the state maybe Sunday night, and then Monday looking relatively wet. Good chance of showers and storms. The high will be in the 70s. That is not a severe weather look. And then this is Tuesday. That first little wave is on by. And the GFS is trying to show some drying, but I'm not so sure we buy into that yet. We'll maintain a chance of showers and storms Tuesday. Wednesday, that tongue of moisture stays in place. Some risk of showers and storms. And this is Thursday of next week. Now, this is when we'll have to watch for some active weather. The surface low develops near Oklahoma City. Same thing, moist air, but chance of showers and storms. And this is a week from today, Friday the 17th. A very vigorous shortwave west of the state and a surface low over Arkansas. And if this were to verify, that could be a severe weather setup on April 17th. But it remains to be seen. This is, a week out. This could easily change. In fact, the European really not showing that. It's got no well-defined surface low north and west of the state. It's just got a batch of showers and storms passing through with little chance of severe weather. So confidence not all that high, but I would not be surprised considering the pattern and the climatology if we were to have some risk of strong to severe storms late next week. And this is the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday the 19th. Look at the trough over the east. That's a nice, cooler, drier air mass coming in if that verifies. And again, you can see temperatures off the ensembles, mostly in the 70s next week. And you see those colder nights that following weekend, the 18th, the 19th, and much of next week with lows dropping down to the 40s on many mornings. And that'll feel pretty good. Not many of those left because that long, hot summer will be here before you know it. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.